Hello everyone. Welcome to the course of Internet of Things IoT. So in today's session, we are going to discuss the syllabus overview of Internet of Things, for which we are going to deal for both artificial intelligence and machine learning departments. So this syllabus is most commonly studied by remaining other departments as well. So let's see some of the course objectives and course outcomes and what are the units included in this IoT subject. And let's see the brief introduction of each and every unit. So coming to the course objectives, we can see the difference between physical and logical design of IoT. We are also able to categorize the pin configuration of the Arduino Uno boards. So these Arduino Uno boards we are also going to use in the IoT lab as well. And we are going to demonstrate the code in Node-RED. Okay, so what is this Node-RED? All those things we are going to study in the further sessions. And we are also able to identify the concept of machine-to-machine communications, and using Raspberry Pi, we are going to develop various applications as well. So both Arduino boards and Raspberry Pi boards, we are going to use them in the laboratory, and also we are going to learn theoretical as well. And coming to the course outcomes. So once we are through this course and at the end of this course, so we'll be able to identify what are the physical and logical designs of IoT, which is very much important. And we are going to learn the different types of boards like Arduino Uno boards and Raspberry Pi boards. And we are also implement the code in the Node-RED. And coming to the units, we have total 5 units where we need to follow various textbooks and references. So coming to the first unit is completely related to the introduction of IoT. So where we will be learning actually what is an IoT, definition of IoT, and we are also going to see the characteristics, physical design, logical design, functional blocks, and also various communication models as well. And coming to the subsection of the unit 1, we have domain specific applications of IoT, like we are going to see some real-time case studies of home automations and how the IoT is integrated into the cities, environment, energy, retail, logistics, and also in agriculture industries and health and lifestyles as well. So as the courses are going on or the topics are moving forward, we are going to see some real-time case studies along with the applications. And coming to the unit 2. So unit 2 is completely related to the Arduino basics. So what is actually this Arduino, whether it is a controller or a processor, in which family does it fall, how that hardware will be, what are the pins it will be having. Okay, so with respect to the coding as well as the hardware point of view, I will be explaining you everything. And coming to the internet connectivity along with the Ethernet or the Wi-Fi, how an Arduino Uno can be wired or wirelessly connected to the internet, I am going to teach you that. And coming to the unit 3. So unit 3 is completely related to the protocols, where we'll be coming across HTTP and MQTT protocol, where we will be using this protocol and trying to do some IoT applications as well. And not only that, some important complex flows like Node-RED, okay, will be used over here with respect to the Arduino. And coming to the unit 4. Unit 4 is completely related to how a machine to machine communicate, how a machine to human communicate, and completely it is like server and client based patterns, and how the IoT is completely working with respect to servers, clients, and machine to machine, machine to human, or human to machine. All these patterns can be studied in this particular prototype unit. And coming to the unit 5, it is the little bit as advanced version of previous all the 4 units. While using IoT, we can also using such protocols like MQTT or HTTP, we are going to integrate some Raspberry Pi or RFID hardware kind of thing, and we are going to program this Raspberry Pi and we are going to build some applications using this Raspberry Pi. Okay. So it's a kind of making a project or a case study where we will be learning completely based on the protocols, Raspberry Pi, and IoT related applications. And in order to learn all these 5 units, we need to follow few textbooks and references. Okay. So all the topics, all the 5 units topics can't be included into a single book. So we need to verify few textbooks and references in order to have a better knowledge. So Arshdeep Baga or the Vijay Marsetti, okay, Internet of Things is the best suggestible. And we also have this Raspberry Pi textbooks and Arduino projects, okay. And we also have this kind of uh, Anupama C. Raman, Internet of Things. All these textbooks and references will be very much helpful in order to gain much more knowledge. So this is an overview of an Internet of Things subject, which includes 5 units for these particular branches. And these topics will also give you ample amount of experience to work with hardware and software. And we also have a lab where we'll be doing multiple experiments based on Arduino and Raspberry Pi.